burger, no cheese, medium rare.
Anybody need ketchup?
Some sweet potato tots. Ooh, these are good. Okay, I love these. It's a beautiful day for a ball game, right, ladies?
Right.
Right. We've had a long walk. We burned off our burgers. I know, we should have cut over, but that's okay. It is beautiful out, and it's probably like the third inning now, so. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yes! Oh,
He said they bought a $15 beer. Sounds about right.
That was good. Okay, we need the next section to do it. Oh, our crowd leaders are getting tired. Me too. The Indians won! Woo! 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 Hey everybody! Right now I'm driving to Starbucks. I have not vlogged in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. I have been so tired adjusting to my new job. I went from working nights to working days, so I was going to bed at 11 or later, usually like 1, and now I have to go to bed at like 8 or 9 to feel rested, and I have to be up by 6 or 7, so it's quite the difference when you're used to getting, 12 or so hours of sleep, and now I'm forcing myself to adjust to 8, so I haven't vlogged or gone anywhere or done anything or filmed or anything, so I'm gonna try to film my weekend this weekend, or vlog it, and I am going to start off by getting a Starbucks. And I've been drinking so much coffee to get me through these last couple of weeks that I gave myself really bad acid reflux from drinking so much coffee. So I've been drinking matcha green tea lattes from Starbucks. Well, yesterday I did, and then I'm gonna try to do it again today. I actually really want coffee, but I'm gonna give myself another day without it to make sure that I don't get heartburn again. So yeah, and I've been getting breakfast from Starbucks too on my way to work, so it's kind of nice, but I miss my coffee for sure. Matcha green tea latte. If you're into like matcha and you like that kind of stuff, you should try it. Especially if you're a coffee drinker, because I noticed that it made my energy level stay a lot. Like I had a lot more energy than I did drinking this than I do coffee, so we'll see if it happens again today. And a butter croissant. Okay, so now I'm walking into work, and I really like downtown Canton. I think it's really pretty, and I don't know, it's just kind of a simple place, but still pretty, Obviously it's not some of the places I've been to, but it's nice, and I'm really glad I get to work down here, and it's really close to where I live, which is nice because I'm used to driving like 20 minutes to my work, so it's nice that it's only like 10 minutes away now, so I get to sleep in a little bit later. So I've got my tea with me, and I'm almost done with it now, which is kind of sad. I almost got a venti, and I wish I would have, but you live and learn, right? to the fair. Are you guys excited?
I'm so excited.
Oh, thank you. Somebody has some energy. Yes. Usually people are like, I'm excited. Like, wow, really sounds like it.
That's kind of like out of my mouth if I said it, so.
I'm getting edible cookie dough. I'm so excited. I'm like 7 right now. Should have got 2 scoops. I only got 1 and Nelson got 2. Are you getting 2?
I'm gonna get 2.
I hate myself. What do you think of the cookie dough? Thumbs down for Biddle. What about you?
I'm a fan.
Oh, I'm like,
It's like, I could have got better, but it's not bad.
I could have got a different flavor. I feel like I would have liked it more. I should have got the birthday cake. How long do you think we were at the fair for?
Half an hour?
Half hour?
If that.
I think it was like 15 minutes. We're watching the Indians now, back at Nelson's house.
I don't know what else to do.
Go Indians.
The engines.
Who's pitching? Oh, okay, I couldn't see. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. I gotta take these off because there's such a bad glare on them when I try to vlog. But today's Sunday, as I said, so I'm gonna clean my room today. It's literally atrocious. I don't even want to show you because it's so embarrassing. So first I'm gonna eat my Cliff Bar. I love Cliff Bars. They're my favorite thing to eat in the mornings. And then I'm gonna clean this monstrosity. And then I think I'm gonna go shoe hunting today because I need a couple of pairs of shoes for work. And I have a gift card that I haven't used yet for DSW, so I'm gonna go there and see if they have like any flats that I can buy for work because sometimes I don't want to wear heels and I walk a lot to and from my job. So that's kind of like what I'm doing today. I'm thinking about stopping at Home Goods just to look around. I've been wanting to go in there for a while and I haven't. So I think I might do that today. So right now I'm just going to clean and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, I just finished cleaning my room for the most part. I don't know why I have mascara under my eyes. Well, I guess I did wear mascara yesterday. I haven't been wearing it, so I was like, why do I have that under my eyes? I haven't worn it. But, so today's Father's Day and my dad's at work. So, when he gets home, I'm probably gonna like give him his card and everything, but for now I'm not really doing anything today and I'm not really in the mood to do anything. Like, I just finished picking up my room and it was like, oh, it needs organized. So like this weekend I just was planning on cleaning it, and I think next weekend or like throughout the week I'm gonna try to organize it. Like, I really need to do something with my shoes because they're a hot mess. So right now I think I'm just gonna watch some TV and relax for a little bit because it's like 11:30 and I just spent the whole morning cleaning, so I'm gonna rest for a while and then probably go out and run some errands and pick up some stuff that I need for the week. And I might film a video too. I want to do like a makeup video, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that yet. You know what, I think I should practice my guitar. Like, I'm looking at it right now and I know I need to play it, so I'm gonna do that and then watch TV. guys, it is now Monday. I have sucked at vlogging. Right now I'm just making some breakfast before I go to work. I need to hurry up because I need to leave at 8 and it's 7:40 and I'm not even dressed and I haven't brushed my teeth, so oh well. Well, my bagel's a little on the well done side today. I had to let my dog out because he heard me making a bagel. Cash. He just like goes over to the end of the sidewalk and stares at my neighbor's house. I don't know why. Come on. So now he's gonna want to eat my bagel, but first I had to let him out. You're such a goof. You're a goofball. Ew. Guys, so I just parked my car at work and I have like a block to walk. It's like 8:11 right now. And I'm trying to find my lipstick because every day I look in the mirror and it looks like I don't have any lips. So I'm gonna use my good old faithful Kylie Jenner lipstick here and have myself a great Monday. So I think this is Posy K. Yeah, this is Posy K. I've been wanting to get to work early. Usually I do get there a little early. Today I didn't though, which is a bad day to not do that because it's Monday and Mondays are always like nuts. This is a great angle. I'm really glad you guys are looking at me right now. Do I have nice nose nostrils? Oh my god, why do I say these things? Okay, so lips are on. Now I can see boys without feeling ashamed. Oof, Lord. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut my hair. Probably in August. I'm gonna cut it to like here. What do you think? Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. I don't care what you think. So I'm off work for the day and it's really dark in my room. And I'm gonna play my guitar. Normally I would go for a walk, but it looks like it's gonna rain. Oh no. I think my blinds are broke. Oh, why do I have to have cheap stuff? It's a struggle out here. Thank God I have a full-time job now and I can get new blinds because that is really just disappointing that I can't open that window now. Anyway, so I'm gonna play my guitar for a while and then I might go to the store because I need some more clothes for work. Like, I really don't have much, like, especially shirts, and I just really need some new shirts. Or I might go see my friend Jasmine. I really don't know. It's just, I'm really upset about my blinds right now, so it's hard for me to think about anything else. I still can't believe they're broke. Like, heck. I've literally broken so many blinds in my life, you don't even understand. Like, one time when I was little, I yanked the blinds off my mom's window trying to open them by accident, and another time I was at my aunt's house and I was looking out the blinds in her bathroom and they fell while I was while I was peeing. You know, talk about losing your dignity. I'm sorry, you probably think I'm drunk, but I'm not. I'm just really annoyed at myself, and I just whacked my guitar really hard. I'm like a bull in the china shop, you know? It was something